Hello and welcome. My name is Michelle with Phoenix Flow Art. If you like my content, please like, subscribe, and share. Today I'm going to be working on a gallery wrapped canvas in 8x8. Going to be doing a Dutch pour. And right now I am flooding my base, putting on my base coat, which is a titanium white. I'm going to spread my base coat all over the canvas. And right now I am busting the bubbles. Usually if you mix your paint and you let it sit, the bubbles will dissipate. However, I'm too impatient. I usually mix my paint and start painting immediately. Therefore, I tend to have bubbles in my paint, so I need to bust those, which I use my torch to do that. When you're doing something like a Dutch pour, any type of painting, you really need to make sure that you get your sides. If you don't get your sides, it doesn't look as professional and clean if you're trying to sell the painting. So definitely make sure you paint your sides. After I paint my sides, I'm going to start laying on my color, and the first color I'm going to use is Azo Yellow Deep. I'm trying not to put too much paint on my canvas. Second color I'm going to be using is just a yellow. Third color I'm going to be using is an olive green. And I'm just going to put a little bit of olive green on it. Then I'm going to use a yellow oxide. Yellow is the theme of this painting, as you see. And then I'm going to be using some Iridescent gold sheer. I'm going to add a little bit of my flood coat around the colors, and that helps my colors to flow over the canvas. Then I'm going to blow the paint into my colors. And that was my failed attempt of blowing it out. My dryer wasn't turned on high enough, so I blow again. Then after which I am going to use a straw to blow out the rest of my paint to get a composition I like. This painting is a light painting. It was pretty much all yellow, but I really do like it. So give me your thoughts on it. Now at the bottom of that painting, it's too heavy, so I kind of scrape off some of the colors, and I put some more white on it, and I continue to blow. But again, if you like my content, please like and subscribe and share. My name is Michelle with Phoenix Flow Art. Creating is what we do.